Hi, good morning. My name is Rahul Chauhan, founder of roomsexpert.com. And today we have a very exciting, interesting, and beautiful guest with us. Her name is Dr. Isha Sahdev. Good morning, doctor.
Good morning.
Isha, first of all, a very happy Doctor's Day to you. Today is 1st of July, and अगर आप लोग नहीं होंगे तो हम जैसा हुआ क्या होगा? I can understand that. So,
Thank you so much.
just wanted to understand a few things with you, Isha.
Mm-hmm.
Can you just give us a brief about your practice?
I am a physiotherapist, mainly in manual work, and a chiropractor. So we align the structure, we align your bones, joints, we balance up your muscles, we get you moving. So we are more into we are into manipulation and mobilization, right from your muscle, ligament, joint, bones.
So it's more like denting and bending of your whole body.
Absolutely.
Pre-maintenance and post-maintenance work, both.
बिल्कुल जी.
So a lot of people in India don't understand what a chiropractor is. In fact, आपसे मिलने से पहले मैं भी नहीं जानता था. So if you can give a brief की what's a chiropractor, that would be easier.
So chiropractors, so आप जैसे अपनी गाड़ी की सर्विसिंग कराते हैं, and you don't wait for the breakdown. So we chiropractors take care of the wear and tear which happens during the activities of daily living. You're sitting in odd ways, you're standing on one leg. So we align your spine. We make sure that you're bearing the weight on both the legs, and any kind of misalignment in the spine, we take care of it. Because spine is like an engine of your body. If you're in the poor posture, it takes a toll on the spine.
Okay.
And then you keep getting symptoms. Yeah.
Okay. So just tell me one thing, with so many of issues with corona thing and everything is going on currently. So how are you managing safety at your own clinic? Because it requires touching of your patients, because you need to adjust their bones and everything, right?
Yeah. So we are operating absolutely with guidelines from the government. So we are choosing the patients, we are asking for their address, right from sanitizers at every corner, sanitizing after every patient session, using paper sheets, checking everyone's temperature, proper PPEs, gloves, and all the time our face shields. So we are taking so we used to run from 8 to 8. Now we have just restricted the time 9 to 5, and with half of the staff. So we're taking all the possible precautions and safety measures.
Okay. With work from home becoming a new normal nowadays, Isha, right? How do you suggest people need to take care of themselves?
See, Rahul, due to this pandemic, people are restricted to their chairs, to their beds, to their homes. And I've been receiving a lot of calls and patients come down. So because sedentary, so very rightly it has been said, sitting is new smoking. They're sitting for a long time and the spine is taking a lot of load. So right from the anxiety levels have gone high, the cervical pains and the dizziness, the headaches, low backaches. So the frequency have gone high, and people are doing house chores in odd positions. So it's the body which is taking the toll, the physical as well as mental. Patients, we keep guiding people, keep taking care, keep the posture right, keep stretching. Movement is the real medicine.
So Isha, with people, they're currently speaking to you with their issues and everything which they are facing in today's scenario. So what are the issues they're telling you that these are the issues they are facing in their body, and these are the kind of pains what are the issues which have gone up?
So general body aches, pains in the joints, muscles due to lack of movement, due to a lot of immobility, they have really gone up. Especially the headaches and low backache and the cervical, because usage of laptop and phones have gone really high. They're all the time they're hanging their head down and looking into, and the weight of the head is so much, it's like more than 20 kgs on the spine. So even the anxiety, because people are not breathing enough, they're crunching, they're hunching their back. So the backaches have really gone up.
So what are your suggestions that people should take care of in today's scenario with new norm like work from home, with most of the companies are moving into that thing. So how do you suggest that people should be taking care of their body in today's time?
So Rahul, I've been I've been guiding them. Please do a lot of breathing exercise. Why? Because the rib cage is the anchor for the cervical spine and the shoulders. And due to the stress, due to the anxiety, when they don't breathe enough, their lung capacity decreases, which is absolutely, we don't want it during this COVID time. We want them to breathe better. And I keep telling them, keep stretching, keep doing arm rotation, or don't sit on one of the pelvis all the time. Keep shifting the positions, keep moving. At least every 15-20 minutes, take a break, take a walk, take a round, go to the second floor, or the, go and take a round around to the balconies, take a lot of water, keep stretching the calves. They're not moving enough. The calves are like second heart of the body. They really need to keep stretching their calves. If they're sitting for a long time, the blood tends to accumulate. So these are the general advices I'm giving, yes.
You said breathing exercises. So besides breathing exercise and moving their whole body, is there any specific set of exercises which you feel that people should be doing in general till the time they don't have any specific medical condition a normal human being can do while sitting at home? Because those guys, I mean, in today's world, people can't even go to a gym.
Yes, of course.
What are the exercises and what are the breathing exercises you suggest that people should do जब वो घर पे हैं वो आराम से वहाँ पे कर सके?
देखिए राहुल, honestly, right now whole body exercise one needs. जैसे सूर्य नमस्कार हो गए, that incorporates every joint, every muscle, especially the core, because you're sitting, the core is off. Core off रहेगा, आपका digestion भी it will have repercussions on the digestion also, and you won't be able to fire your diaphragm also. जब breathing की बात करते हैं, out of stress लोग abdomen ज़्यादा use करते हैं. I encourage them to use a lot of chest breathing, flare out, just expand your shoulders, keep the neck high. So these are the general body exercises. Keep, on the floor you can stretch your body. Keep doing some gentle jogs, high knee arc marches. So these are the gentle exercises people can do at home without any problem.
So you said breathing exercise along with Surya Namaskar, right? So अब कंफ्यूजन ये होती है ईशा कि आप सूर्य नमस्कार देखने के लिए YouTube पे जाते हो और वहाँ पे डिफरेंट पोस्चर्स मिलते हैं एंड यू गेट कंफ्यूज, यार ये गलत हो जाएगा तो ज्यादा प्रॉब्लम हो जाएगी. सिमिलरली ब्रीदिंग एक्सरसाइज की इतनी सारी टेक्निक्स हैं, आई आल्सो गेट कंफ्यूज्ड, यार ये वाली करनी है कि ये वाली करनी है कि ये वाली करनी है. यू रिमेंबर व्हेन आई केम फ्रॉम विपश्यना दिस December, you told me that you have not been breathing thoroughly. You are not taking deep breaths, and I said yes. Because there was another technique which I was following in those days. So अब हर एक चीज में आपकी एक अलग टेक्निक आ रही है. So if you can just guide which is the how to do those exercises and which are the breathing exercises which need to be done.
People do get confused, but then you have to listen to your body. अगर आप एक चीज को follow कर रहे हैं and after 2-3 sessions you're feeling uncomfortable. So I always invite my patients to always listen to the body. I wrote a blog a couple of months back and I clearly mentioned, so every body is different. So every recipe is also different. Few muscles are taking more load. Few muscles are just not firing up. So whenever you start a new program, try to take it under guidance. आजकल तो virtual sessions इतने चल रहे हैं. Choose a good trainer who has good knowledge about the anatomy and physiology and who can study your body and plan it accordingly. Suppose if you're breathing more from the abdomen and you're not using your diaphragm, the upper body, so you will be hunching. So to correct that, you really need to flare out your chest, and just not in the front, sideways also. You need that lateral expansion also, so that your spine is upright, so that you have few headaches. अगर आपका breathing अच्छा है तो आपका oxygen level अच्छा होगा पूरे शरीर में. You'll feel more energetic. You'll feel more focused. So it's that deep. So of course, take care of the core by doing planks or gentle planks. I'm not asking, okay, बहुत ज़्यादा कीजिए. Again, coming back to listening to the body. That's very essential.
Okay. And you talked about, you wrote a blog. Can I have the link of that particular blog where we can share it with our viewers?
I'll share it with you. I'll share it with you.
Because I never saw that blog, so I'll be quite interested reading your blogs.
I'll do that.
And Isha, finally, how can people connect to you if they need to have more questions? Because I have a liberty that I can connect you with you anytime. What about other people?
Yeah. So very soon, this month only, so I was not that much on the Facebook. Yes, now within this month, we have transformed. This lockdown has brought a lot of changes in everybody's life. So in me. So within a week's time, you will be able to easily connect with me on my Facebook page. That will be so easily. So more than a dozen of years into this field, I will be happy to share whatever I can. I'm willing to add value whoever I feel can be benefited from.
And do you also plan to launch a YouTube channel? Because अगर मुझे कुछ exercises सीखनी है sitting at a remote location and I can't come to you on a regular basis, it would be easier for people like me.
So Rahul, the exercise I tell my patients are way different than a proper trainer.
Okay.
Because I go very deep. The muscles which are attached to the organs and sticking to the spine, which are very deep. It's not gonna be superficial. So yes, I've been getting this offers to have the channel. So inshallah, by God's grace, let's see. Let's hope for the best very soon. Yeah.
It would be easier for me. It would be quite helpful for me. So I'm keeping my fingers crossed. Isha, at least you'll be launching a YouTube channel soon, so that people like me, it becomes more comfortable. कि मुझे पता है, there's one single channel where I can just go and see all the videos and just discuss with you. Isha, I got a lower back pain, which is the exercise you suggest. Isha would say कि वो वाली exercise एक बार check कर लो and you do that. So I'm just keeping my fingers crossed for your YouTube channel.
Hopefully, yes.
Thank you so much, Isha. That was lovely speaking to you.
Thank you.
And for your time on
Same
such a auspicious day. सुबह का time आपने दिया, or from your busy schedule. Thank you so much again, and hope to see you soon.
Thank you for having
person.
me. Thank you so much for this opportunity.
Thank you so much, Dr. Isha.
It's a pleasure, Rahul. It's always a pleasure to be with you.
Thank you so much.
God bless you.
At Ease Align, through thorough assessment, Dr. Isha and her team treat patients with different healing methods like osteopathy, chiropractic, physiotherapy, releasing you of your ailments.
We treat body as one unit, as every body part is interconnected. So please come to us and be free of what binds you. We are here to help.
Ease Align. Be free of what binds you.